In this video, we are going to see that if your headphones are not being detected in Windows 11 Bluetooth settings, here's how you can do a quick solution about it. First of all, just press Windows plus R key on your keyboard and it will open up the run command. From here, we will just write services.msc. Hit enter. And from here, we will look for the Bluetooth support service, and it is very easy to find. Just click on any of the settings, press B on your keyboard, and it will take you to the B section. From here, this is the Bluetooth support service. We just double click on this and make sure the startup type should be set to automatic. After that, just click apply and OK. And also just double click again and check the service status. And if it is not running, you just hit stop once. And after that, just wait for some time and just start it again. After that, once it shows running, click OK. And just guys, one more time, that if your status is still not running, you can restart it from here as well on the left hand side. And after that, just close out of here, restart your computer once, and then when you go to the start menu and right here Bluetooth, and you hit add the device, you select the Bluetooth. You should be able to see your device. You can simply connect that, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.